Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install OWASP ZAP tool in your window. As you know that ZAP is a powerful open source security testing tool designed to help us find vulnerabilities in web application. It's widely used by security professionals, developers and testers to detect issues like SQL injection, access and other commonly security flaws. ZAP provides both automatic and manual testing capabilities, including an easy-to-use interface and intercepting proxy and powerful scanning features. It's free to use and work across all the major platforms like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. To get started, we need to simply go to the OWASP website and install it. Whether you are new to cybersecurity or a pro, ZAP is a great tool to improve your web security. So today I'm going to show you how you can download and install ZAP in your window. So without any delay, let's get it started. So let's go to the browser and search ZAP download. And the very first link will be the one to click. So we're going to click on it. And after this, you will see the main page, download ZAP. So for right now, mostly the Windows, they have the Windows 64 installer. And we're going to click on the download, then we're going to save it there. And as you know that it's already downloaded, so you can either go to the folder or you can double click from here. Let me go to the folder, and then you can double click this one. Windows Defender Smart Preventer and Organizer Cracks. We're going to running this app might put your PC at risk. You can go more, run anyways, and installing. Yes. So it's in welcome to Rare Attack Proxy by Checkmark Setup. We're going to go to next. And here you will have two things. One will be I accept the agreement, and next will be I do not accept the agreement. So we're going to do I accept the agreement, and we're going to go to next. And we have two types of installation. One will be your standard installation, and the next one is a custom installation. So if you want to download other software as well, you can do the custom installation. But for right now, I'm going to do only the standard installation. So next, so it's completing the WebAttack proxy. Do the finish, and once it's downloaded, I can type like ZAP, and you can see there is app. So I can double click this one. There you go. You can see it's installing there. We want to allow the public and private network to access this app. Yes, we need to. So for right now, I already have a Java in my Windows, so I don't need to install the Java. But usually, like installing ZAP requires Java. So if you guys don't have Java, so you can simply go to the Google search and type Java. Then you can install it. You don't need the whole development kit for Java. You can simply find the Java JRE and you can install it before downloading the ZAP. And good allow, and here we go. So this is the main screen of ZAP, and we are finally able to install ZAP. Like it takes less than 5 minutes. It is always a straightforward. So if you guys have any issue downloading and installing, feel free to write a comment and I will reply to you guys. So I hope it was a short and clear tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.